my channel. So today, as promised, I'm here with another CoverGirl eyeshadow review. Now, today I have the CoverGirl True Naked Dazed palette, and I've had a lot of requests to do an eye look with this because it's a little bit challenging. Looking at it myself, it's definitely going to be a challenge because every shade in this palette, there's 8 shades and they all are shimmers, all of them. And there's no neutral colors in it whatsoever. So obviously this palette is definitely not for somebody that just wants to pick it up and use it every day. To me, this is more of like either you're really bold and fun and creative with your makeup and you can definitely create eye looks with this, or this is a type of palette where you will go in with other eyeshadows, other neutrals, and then add a pop of color, maybe a yellow, maybe an orange or a purple, but definitely a hard palette to work with. I have not even touched the colors yet, so I don't even know how the color payoff's gonna be, but we're just gonna get right into the video and we're gonna do a look using this palette. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Alright, so I've already set my eye. I have Tarte Shape Tape Concealer all over my eye, and then I just set it with the translucent powder. So we can just use that for the base. That's fine for me. I just don't know what to do with this. I really don't. Could use another palette to do a transition shade, but I kind of wanted to just use this palette to show you. So first I'm going to take this orange shadow right here. We're going to pick that up. I'm going to start to work this into the crease. Taking it higher, almost underneath the brow bone. I'm definitely leaving a little bit of space there, but I'm just going to start to work that in. So far the color is definitely very pigmented. It's easy to blend, so that's good. The sparkle in it is not like a sparkle, it's more of a sheen. I'm going to extend this out all the way to the end of my brow here. I'm going to take this bright purple shade right here. Gonna work this into the crease, but I'm just keeping it right into the crease and not bringing it upwards. I'm also gonna extend it. I'm gonna flick it out. Don't worry about the lower lid. You can be a little bit messy because I'm gonna go clean it up with some concealer, so don't worry about that. But you need to be more precise up top rather than underneath. On the same brush we just used for the purple, I'm going to dip back into that orange color, and I'm just going to go along the edges up here just to help everything blend seamlessly together. You don't want any like super harsh lines. Obviously there's going to be a contrast between the two colors, but you kind of want it to look a little bit more blended and not so harsh. Okay, so I'm going to take some of this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to carve out my eye. Try to be a little bit more precise with this step. You have to kind of take your time. It's easy kind of when you look more, instead of looking like directly on at the mirror, it's easy when you kind of tilt your head down a bit. So this is kind of what you have. So before this dries, I don't want it to dry fully because I kind of want this shadow to be tacky and stick to it. So I'm going to go in with the next shade. Holy mother, I've never done a look like this in my life. Okay, we're going to go with yellow. So I'm taking this bright yellow color right here, and I'm going to start to pack that onto the eye, starting in the inner corner. I'll give you one thing about this palette. It's pretty pigmented, so that's awesome. Again, some drugstore palettes are kind of hit and miss. Now, I don't know if I should go yellow all the way across. I don't know what to do. I wanted to try and use as many colors as possible in this palette just to show you how they work. So I don't know if we take the blue, how too much it's going to be. Taking the bright blue color right here. Okay, so we're taking this blue color. Now this one is, I guess, more of a matte. It does have a shimmer into it, but out of all the shades in the palette, it is definitely more matte. There is a lot of kickback there, so be careful with that. Tap off your brush, get rid of the excess, blow some into the air. Oh yes, a lot of fallout, but it is pigmented. And girl, we just created green in the center because blue and yellow make green. Now, because we've already kind of made a little bit of a green in the center, I'm going to actually pick up a little bit of the green just to kind of try it out. So we're going to take a little bit of that, pop it into the center of the lid since I've already kind of made that color anyways. You know what? I'm just thinking about it. This month is Pride. This is Pride month. So this eye is dedicated to Pride because this is a great eye for Pride. Yes, this has turned into a great success. Okay. Okay, so before I do any eyeliner, I'm gonna go in and just give my lashes a slight curl. I find if I do this after my eyeliner, usually half my eyeliner gets taken off, which is no good. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Black Gel Eyeliner. This stuff's amazing if you need waterproof. Damn, and it's a fresh one. I got a fresh eyeliner. I'm just going to follow the blue here, the edge of it. I'm not bringing it out all the way. I'm just going to bring it out a tiny bit, flick it out on the edge, and bring it back in. Just like that. And then going into the inner corner, I want it to be very, very thin. So I'm just going to go tiny bit. Thin. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the Lise Watier Dramatique Curl Mascara. And I'm going to just kind of quickly coat my upper lashes. I'm also going to take the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Fishnet. And I'm just going to run that up in here just quickly so everything is blended and seamless and there's no blank space. So I want the lashes to be extra dramatic because this look is extra dramatic. So I am going in with Sali Lashes. These are in the style Sophisticated. Okay, so in my waterline and the lower lashes, I'm going to go in with the Bourjois Waterproof 46 Bleu Neon. That was supposed to be French if you didn't know. And I'm also going to take some of that and smudge it again into those little lower lashes. Get it right in. But I'm keeping that more on the outer portion of my eye. Then I'm going to start to smudge that out. So I'm going to take some more of that yellow we used in the inner corner and I'm going to take it again and I'm going to pop it in just in the tear duct here. Then I'm going to use a sparkly darker blue shade right here and run that along the lower lash line. I'm going to pop on a lot of lower lash mascara here, the Clinique Workout. We're going to pile this on. Beautiful, and then to finish the look we need a lip. So because this eye look is just extreme, I'm gonna go neutral for the lip. So we're gonna go in with one of my favorite nude lip liners. This is the Kiss Pro in Rosy Nude. So we're just gonna go in and do a quick line of the lips. And then for the lips, I'm gonna go in with Kiss Professional Lip Gloss, the Luxe Creamy Gloss in the shade Sorbet Pink. My finished look using the new Covergirl True Naked Dazed palette. I can tell you that when I first saw this palette, even myself as a makeup artist, I was super intimidated by it. I totally understand where people are coming from, like looking at this and saying this is crazy. I think to use it like how I did, obviously this is not an everyday thing. This is like a special occasion or you want to do something creative or crazy, then you would use this palette on your eye like I did today. But I think if you're just looking to add a pop of color into your eye look once in a while, by using like, you know, you would go in with your neutrals and then maybe add some yellow or blue or green. I think this is a great option for you to pick up because number one, it's affordable and you're not going to be using it every single day for the most part, so it's great to get something affordable. But the quality and pigmentation of this palette is super excellent. As you can see, I created a really nice look, full-blown pigment, so I think it's definitely worth your buy if you're looking at getting creative or doing a creative eye look. I also think it's the month of June, which is Pride month, so if you're going to be doing anything with Pride and you really want to add some color to your eye look without spending a lot of money, check this out. I'm really happy actually with the way this look turned out. I think it's excellent and I think that if I was going to Pride, I would definitely wear this. Yes, I would. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, love is love. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.